Let me be blunt here, brother. You don't have a porn problem. You have a life problem. And porn is the easiest way you found to escape it. Escape from pressure, escape from pain, escape from the man you know you're supposed to be, but haven't yet become. Today, I'm calling out the 7 hidden ways that you're using porn to run from your life. And even if one of these hits you in the gut, it's time to face the truth and reset your path. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of the Rebuilt Man. It's been our mission for the last 5 years to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. If you're new to the podcast, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn those post notifications on if you're watching us on YouTube, because we are releasing multiple episodes every single week. And if you stick around till the end of today's episode, I'm going to share with you an invitation to help you get back control of your porn addiction in just 7 days. But we're diving deep into the 7 hidden ways that men are using porn to escape their life. Let's dive in right now. Number 1, we've all experienced this. We use it as a way to escape from stress and overwhelm. How many times have you told yourself, I just need to blow off some steam? But here's the truth. Porn doesn't relieve your stress. It defers it. After that release, your problems are still there. Plus, now you've added shame on top of the brain fog. Porn hijacks your stress response and kills your masculine edge. Instead of using porn to escape from stress and overwhelm, real men face the pressure and grow stronger. Is boys' behavior to escape through easy pursuits of pleasure and dopamine? There's a lot of different ways that you can manage and deal with stress, but porn is not one of them. Reason number 2 is you use it as a way to escape your emotional pain, whether it's been rejection, heartbreak, unprocessed father wounds, or even just feeling that you are unseen. I know that it can hurt, but you've never learned to process this pain, so you suppress it. Porn gives you a place that you can hide from that ache, but the pain doesn't go away. It leaks out into every other area of your life. You want to know the truth? Porn isn't going to heal your pain. It's going to keep you stuck in it. Stop using porn as a way to escape your emotional pain and lean into the growth and healing that is needed. Reason number 3 is you use it as a way to escape boredom and lack of purpose. I talk with so many young men these days that tell me, Frank, my life is boring. Well, that's your fault. You told yourself I had some time to kill, but you haven't yet built a life. Us as men, we weren't designed for idle comfort. Porn preys on your passivity. If your life lacks direction, if your life lacks purpose, porn becomes a default to make you feel useful. Here's the truth, brother. You don't need more pleasure. You need a mission in your life. And sometimes sitting in the boredom, sitting in the uncertainty is where that mission is going to speak to you. Stop using porn as a way to escape your boredom and build a life of purpose. Number 4 here, you use it as a way to escape from insecurity and not feeling good enough. Porn gives you a world where you can be in control. There's no rejection. There's no risk. It feeds your ego, but kills your confidence. Every time you choose porn, though, you're telling yourself you're not good enough for the real thing. Porn isn't making you more confident. It's confirming your biggest and your worst fears. Maybe you aren't good enough, but it's your responsibility to grow into that man. Stop using porn as a way to escape from your insecurities and lean into those difficulties. Reason number 5 here is you use porn as a way to escape from intimacy and vulnerability. If you want to know the truth, porn is safe, but real intimacy, it's not. Real love requires presence, patience, honesty, vulnerability, and surrender. Porn asks nothing from you, but it also gives you nothing in return. If you want to build a real relationship, if you want to build a real connection with a woman, you got to stop settling for pixels. Stop using porn as a way to escape from intimacy and vulnerability and lean into the surrender of love and connection. Number 6 here, porn used as an escape from masculine responsibility. Your fitness, your finances, your leadership. I know all of these are heavy, but a man is called to lead in these areas. Porn becomes the easy button that you can constantly hit. But every time you escape into porn, you surrender ground in those areas. Brother, I want you to know that as a man, you were built for weight, not for weakness. You weren't made for ease. You were made for uncomfortable situations and the ability to carry that weight. Stop allowing porn to steal you from your masculine responsibility. In the 7th one here, porn is used as an escape from God or your spiritual convictions. You feel it, the conviction, the gap between who you are and who you're called to be. Porn numbs the voice of God inside of you. It severs your spiritual connection. Real freedom, though, conquering this addiction isn't just about behavior modification. This is a war and a battle that we are fighting on the soul level. You cannot walk with God and hide in porn. One has to go. And it's your choice and responsibility to make that decision. Brother, if any of these hit you today, that's not shame. This is your wake-up call. Porn isn't your enemy. Your avoidance is. But here's the good news. You can change. I told you at the beginning of the episode today that if you stuck around till right now, I was going to extend an invitation to you to begin to conquer this addiction in just 7 days. I've created the 7-day porn reset to help you stop escaping porn and start facing life as a man. In just 7 days, 1 week, you can break the fog, get clarity back, and connect with men inside of our community who are walking the same path. Head over to www.therebuiltman/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below and take your first step today. No more hiding, though. No more escaping. It's time to rebuild. It's time to conquer. Stop escaping from your life and grab it by the balls and become the man that you've been called to be. Coach Frank, the Rebuilt Man, we love you guys. See you on the inside.